Here I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with Fingerprint on this device. So, if you want to lock any app with Fingerprint, firstly you'll have to add Fingerprint, which is we are going to do now. So firstly you have to go to the passwords and security, then go to the Fingerprint, then you have to set up screen lock password. Okay, let's do it. You can set up numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. I'll just set the simplest PIN, which could be. You enter your PIN, then you confirm it. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here. And you just tap with it with the finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint. And after we add a fingerprint, a few more taps. Okay. Fingerprint added. And now when we have fingerprint added, what we have to do is to enter fingerprint section here and enable app lock. Then we have to set up privacy password before enabling app lock. It's like the same, you can set up the same PIN as you have on your screen lock, or you can set up another PIN, so it's for you to decide, but I'm just gonna set same PIN. Then you have to answer the secret question, whatever, like former teacher name, mother's name, father's name, name of your high school, favorite restaurant. So yeah. And now when you have this feature enabled, to lock apps you have to go to settings, then go to apps, and then wait a second, you have to go to privacy and then go to app lock here, verify your fingerprint, and now you can add apps, you can lock apps. So let's lock, for example, Chrome, I don't know, maybe Facebook, gallery, where it is. So yeah, and as you can see, now I can't open, for example, gallery without my fingerprint or password. So yeah, after you lock the screen and unlock it, apps will be locked again. As you can see, now it's locked. But if I don't lock my screen, like I just close the app, then I enter it once again, and I don't have to scan my fingerprint. But after you lock the screen and unlock it once again, you have to confirm your password to open this app. So yeah, I think it was simple enough. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.